In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDFs to Microsoft Word files in Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever needed to edit text from a PDF or reuse content in a document, converting it to a Word file is the quickest, most reliable approach. I'll walk you through the entire process in Adobe Acrobat so you can keep your formatting as clean as possible and get right to editing. First, launch Adobe Acrobat and open the PDF you want to convert. If Acrobat is already running, you can use the File menu and choose Open to browse to your document, or simply drag your PDF into the Acrobat window. Give it a moment to load, especially if the file is large or image-heavy. Now, there are two simple ways to start the export. The first is from the menu bar, click File at the top left. Then choose Export to. This is a straightforward path that shows you all the available formats. The second option is just as easy. Look over to the right-hand side of the Acrobat window for the Export PDF tool and click it. Both routes take you to the same place, so use whichever is most convenient in your layout. When the export options appear, select Microsoft Word as your format. Under that, choose Word document. This creates a .docs file, which is the modern, widely compatible Word format and usually delivers the best results for fonts, images, and layout. Acrobat will do its best to maintain your original formatting, though you may see minor differences if the PDF uses unusual fonts or complex page designs. Next, click the Export button. Acrobat will process the file and convert the content into an editable Word document. If your PDF is a scanned image, Acrobat will automatically run text recognition behind the scenes to extract editable text. This might take a little longer depending on the size and clarity of the scan, so let it finish before moving on. Finally, choose where you want to save the new Word file. In the Save dialog, pick a location that's easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated Documents folder. Give the file a clear name so you'll recognize it later. Then click Save. That's it. The conversion is complete and your Word document is ready. Thanks for watching.